Hello, Jan here from Into the Woods. This is day 2 of our nature tonic forest bathing for people who are self-isolating. And really, if I wasn't here for you, I would not be here because it is freezing cold. There's a strong north wind. Normally we get the wind from the southwest and it is mild and wet. This is a very dry, biting wind, and I can feel that it's come from Siberia. So yeah, the wind is very, very cold, and that's really bringing the woods alive. Everything's tossing around, the tops of the trees are swaying back and forth, and I'm not sure how the audio is going to come out. There might be a lot of wind crackle, so you'll have to forgive me because I haven't quite sorted that out yet. So enjoy the windy day, and I hope you enjoy this, and see you tomorrow.